Our next letter under formal category is a letter of thanks, a thanking letter. Let's go for an example. You have broken your leg and you have received cards and gifts from your colleagues. Write a letter to them. So what are you going to mention in this letter? You're going to thank them for all that they have done. Tell them about what you have been doing and describe what the doctor has said about your discovery. So begin with the regular salutation. And the first line itself can be a thanking line. Dear Samir and Arun, thank you so much for the get well soon card and the box of chocolates you sent for me. Ever since I met with the accident and broke my leg, it is the love and affection I'm getting from friends like you which is keeping my spirits up. So you're thanking him for all that. Now you're going to explain your difficulty. I have a fracture of the thigh bone. It takes about 3 months to heal completely, and my doctor has advised strict bed rest. So I have a lot of free time. I do my regular study for 2 to 3 hours a day, and after that I teach some children of the neighborhood. I find it very interesting as I am being paid for it. And also these children keep me updated with what is going around the town. So you're going to explain and you're going to share whatever you've been going through all these days at home. Next comes your health. What has the doctor said about your recovery? My physiotherapist comes at 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. every day for 1 hour of exercise session. He guides me very nicely and motivates me to push myself even if I have pain. With his help, I am recovering very fast and I hope to start attending college by the end of next month. Once again, thank you for all the wishes and the card. Yours truly. Okay? So after you speak about the health, you are also going to mention that you're going to join them soon. So your wish to join them soon and then your subscription. So writing a thank you letter, you begin with a salutation. And the first line itself can be a thanking line, thanking them for the cards or for the gifts that they had sent. And then share, explain what you do at home. Share your personal information. And then talk about your health. What has the doctor told you about your health? What improvement have you seen in your health condition? You can talk about that. And then your wish, you can wish that you can hope that you join them soon. And then you close the letter. That's a general thing that you do for all the formal letters. So this is how you can go about with a thanking letter. So this letter particularly deals with sending a thank you note for colleagues who had been sending gifts and get well soon cards for you when you had broken your leg.